Lily, the rain is getting heavier. The weather forecast didn't mention a flood. Let's get home before it gets worse. Emma, look! The river is overflowing. The water is rising very fast. We need to move to higher ground.
Everyone, stay calm and move to the evacuation area.
We'll help anyone who needs assistance. Let's stay together. Did you hear that? Someone is calling for help. The voice is coming from that house. Please help us! There is someone trapped inside. Wait, I heard another voice. We can't leave them behind. The water is rising every minute.
Stay where you are. We're bringing a rescue boat.
My father is still inside! Don't worry, we'll rescue him. David, there's another person trapped.
I'll search the first floor.
We'll check upstairs. Stay together and be careful. I hear someone knocking. The sound is behind that door. Let's open it carefully. Emma, someone's inside.
Please, help me.
We're coming! Sir, can you stand up?
My leg is injured. I can't walk.
We'll help you together. We must leave immediately. Please stay with us. Let's support him carefully.
Wait! My daughter!
Where is she?
She went downstairs.
I'll search downstairs with David. I'll stay here with him.
Let's move quickly.
David, I found her!
Hold on! We're coming!
Help! I'm trapped!
The cabinet is too heavy.
Let's lift it together. Please hurry! The water keeps rising! David, do you need help?
Yes! Bring the rescue rope.
I'm coming right now. She's free! Thank you for saving me. Let's get everyone outside.
The rescue boat is ready.
Help the elderly man first. Everyone stay calm. Emma, look behind us! The bridge is collapsing!
Move the boat now! Hold on tight! We're moving to a safe area.
Everyone, stay seated. We'll be safe soon.
We've reached the rescue center.
Thank you for saving our lives. We're glad you're safe.
You gave us hope when we needed it most.
Anyone would have done the same. Helping others is always the right choice. Emma, what gave you the courage to help? We simply couldn't leave anyone behind. Working together saved lives today. Every act of kindness makes a difference. Hope is stronger than fear. Together, we can overcome any challenge.